guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you how I recreated this Wednesday look. This was my reference photo for the outfit, but in this video you'll see how I put everything together and did the makeup and everything like that. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm taking my yearly Halloween photos for Instagram. Last year I was an angel, so I thought this year I'm gonna be Wednesday Addams. So yeah, if you want to see behind the scenes of how I took my Halloween Wednesday Addams Instagram photos, then carry on watching. So this is the makeup look I'm going for. I'm gonna try and recreate this makeup. Wednesday obviously has really like big cheekbones. I don't know, she's got like a really shallow bit here, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna try and recreate that, but I want it to look natural, not like with bronzer or anything, because then it will be like orange. So I have this, it's like a cream contour, but it's like grey, so it's meant to like blend into your skin a bit more. Maybe I should do my concealer first. I don't really know. It's slightly chaotic the way that I put on my concealer. And I'm using this as foundation. Why didn't I just use foundation? Anyway, we're here now. Well, I'm definitely looking pale. Right, now we're gonna attempt this thing. Okay, now I'm gonna like bring it down here. I don't know if this is the right decision, but she has like really a hollow face here. It looks so much worse on camera. In real life, it actually looks really subtle and exactly what I'm going for. I'm gonna fill in the cheeks with some more concealer. Oh. But like, I'm hoping you can see what I'm going for. It's kind of working. Oh God, I look dead. Okay, well that actually worked exactly how I wanted it to. Right. I can't take this seriously. Now I'm gonna do the eyes. So I'm just gonna do them how I normally do and then like build them up. Oh God. It looks really bad. Okay, now we're gonna do some brown and like just bring that under. I just don't look pretty. Like, how does Jenna Ortega still look pretty like this? I look dead. What lip colour? You can see what colour she's got. I'm hoping this will match. I think that's a great match actually. What do you think? Twins? Okay, well now we're gonna get my outfit on, and this is the outfit that I am replicating. Obviously I could have gone with like her classic black dress from the dance scene, but I thought this one, I would actually wear this jumper anyway, so I might as well buy it. I found one basically exactly the same as well, like side by side. How good of a match is this? I've got a black turtleneck to go under it. Do I look like Wednesday yet? Obviously gotta do the hair as well, and then I don't know what bottoms to wear, just some black trousers. I don't know about you, but I think this is pretty accurate. Okay, let's do my hair now. So obviously she has it in plaits. Amazing. Right, well, the obvious thing now is the fringe. Obviously I do kind of have bangs, but they don't look like Wednesday. She's got like an actual fringe, and it's so annoying because a few months ago my fringe was shorter. I'll show you what it looked like then. That hair would have been better to do it with, but I've been trying to grow out these front bits again, so I kind of don't want to have to cut my hair, but I also did consider cutting my hair for this. Okay, well then I think we're ready to take the photos. Okay, so I'm gonna take them on this wall here, and you're literally gonna see the behind the scenes of me taking the photos. I did actually buy this. It's a Happy Halloween like balloon banner thing, but I don't have anywhere to hang it, but I thought it could be good for the background. I have to blow in it. Oh, they're all individual. Should I? I can't really be bothered to blow them up, I'm not gonna lie. Well, forget I said anything. So if you've ever wondered, not that you have wondered, but I'm letting you know anyway, if you've ever wondered how I take my Instagram photos, I use an app called Lens Buddy. This isn't an ad, it sounds like it, but it basically lets you take loads of multiple photos at once. I actually look disgusting. Okay, let's take the photos. I've taken the photos. I can't say if they're good or not. I'm gonna scroll through them now. There's actually so many. So far, I haven't been impressed with any. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I don't really like any of them. It's hard because they're not photos that I'm like trying to look good in. I'm just trying to look like Wednesday. So it's hard to judge if I like them or not, but I'm done. I did it. If you want to see the outcome of the photos, obviously go over to my Instagram. It is holly.lang. I'd love if you could follow me over there, and then obviously you'll see the photos as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Happy Halloween! Bye!